Guys, pane murume anonzi Thandolwenkosi who's been killing vana, street kids. 5 of them are already dead. Then 1 attempted murder. This guy has appeared to court. And what did he say? He said it's fine. I am guilty. Ukanzi bail akati he doesn't want any bail. He wants to stay inside. So since he's homeless, there's no need to get a bail. Anokwenda kupi. But then most of the people are actually concerned because why is he scared to go out? Who doesn't want freedom? Even if you're staying in a street, it's still home for you. Who doesn't want freedom? It seems as if this guy is scared of the people that were using him to harvest the organs, the van. Or maybe he's trying his lucky kuromba hatizivi. But then so he is in jail now, waiting for trial.